Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at what are the new components or buttons on the new iPhone 13 or the iPhone 13 Pro. So let's begin with the side button. On the right hand side bar here, there is a side button. This side button allows you to press on it to wake up the phone or switch it off. And in addition, you can also set different menus and shortcuts on the side button. And if we go to the top here, there is nothing on the top, but at the top here on the screen there is a selfie camera or a front camera right there, along with 3 sensors. You can't see the sensors at the moment because it is quite dark, but there are 3 different sensors right here, right next to the camera, just below the ear speakers. So this one here at the top is the ear speaker or the loudspeaker, and below that are the 3 different sensors. So I'm just trying to see if you can actually see it. It's very hard because it's very dark. Okay, so we move on to the left hand side bar here. On the left hand side there is a ringer or a silent button. If you switch it down, it will become silent, and if you push the switch up, it will become alert, and it will give you a sound when you receive an incoming call. Now below the silent button is the volume buttons. You got the volume up button and volume down, and down here is a SIM trade, so you can use the SIM pin, and we can eject the SIM trade. And in this SIM trade, you are allowed to have 1 physical SIM. Okay, so you got 1 physical SIM for your iPhone 13 or the 13 Pro. Plus, in addition, you can get 1 eSIM. Okay, moving down to the bottom, you got microphone and you got loudspeaker. In the center is the lightning connector, allowing you to connect the phone to the charger, or you can use the connector to transfer files to a computer or a MacBook. Now at the back of the device are the new upgraded camera. So there are 3 cameras in the back, at the back, and you got 1 for telephoto, 1 for normal shooting, and another 1 for wide angle. And at the top here is a flashlight, and at the bottom here is a LiDAR sensor. So the flashlight, LiDAR sensor, and then you got 3 different camera, and all of this here combined into 1 camera system. And so that's it. That's all the different components on your iPhone. So if you take a look at this, now you know what each of these button does, and at the back here are the different camera systems. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.